guys, how's it going? This is Susti Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. I am outside, it's sunny and breezy, although it's 31 degrees at the moment. I took the boys to the park, to the nearby playground. They truly like going to playgrounds. Anyways, for today's recipe, it is blueberry puff pastry. I wanted to make my youngest, he asked for blueberry pie, but then I was kind of lazy to make the skin, so I just grabbed the puff pastry from the freezer that we had, so it becomes blueberry puff pastry. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 5 cups frozen blueberries that you rinse first, and then add in 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna bring this to boil and cook it until mixture combined properly and blueberry kind of mushy. You want to do this on low medium heat, by the way. Add in 8 teaspoons of citric acid, just to add some flavor. You also want to kind of press or mash the blueberries, and if it's easier for you, you can even zap it in the food processor before you boil it. If you like chunky blueberries on your pies, it's fine. If you want it to be smoother, you can mush it with masher or food processor. As for me, I like it kind of simple, just pressing it with my wooden spoon. Now add in cornstarch solution and it will be thickened. And before you use this, cool it to room temperature first. Nice thickened film. The puff pastry has been thawing in the fridge for overnight. Now it's ready to be used for our hand pies or hand puff pastry. If you would like to, you can roll it a bit to make it or stretch it even more to rectangular. It's up to you. Now place filling. This is about half cup each. And then from this side, you just want to flip it to cover it. Which I'm gonna have to turn off the camera because I'm using one hand as always, but you get the idea. Just flip and cover it like so. Just peel the paper. And then you're gonna press this and then make it neat, and then we're gonna slice it. It's not really hand pies because it's bigger than hand pies, but you get the idea. It's smaller pie, or puff pastry, I should say puff pastry, because I'm using puff pastry skin instead of making my own pie crust. And you just want to, you can crimple it, it's up to you. Whoopsie daisy. And this is half cup each for the filling. Brush top with egg yolk, and we're gonna poke with skewers or fork and make holes everywhere for steam to release. So this is from the scrape, and I managed to make one more puff pastry. This on 375 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Enjoy!